Hey guys, my name is Burnaby. I'm a project manager at LFM Construction Remodeling. We're here at this project where we just finished a garage conversion. So in this area, it's the front part of where the garage was. We added this window here to create a lot of space. We added this dog wash station right here, removable top too. These doors open up, everything so they can access the dog wash. So this whole space was the actual garage. This house, I mean, they only have one bathroom for the entire house and we had to create the second one. So we have to redirect all the plumbing and everything to bring this whole new space here. All this new siding that we did all these windows. I mean, remember guys, it was a garage, so there was no windows. We added this tankless water heater out here so that we would free up some of the space inside for the room. I mean, none of this was here. We added these big windows back here so we can add as much light, natural light into the room as possible. So if you like this garage conversion, definitely check us out online, lfmremodeling.com, on Instagram as well, LFM Remodeling. We have more videos that you're gonna definitely like.